The drone world is buzzing with excitement as DJI, the world's leading drone manufacturer, has made new filings with the U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC, for what appears to be its next big release, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. These FCC filings are typically the first solid indicators of an upcoming product launch, giving fans and professionals a sneak peek into what's coming. But while the documents confirm DJI's progress, they also raise important questions, especially for drone users in the United States. So what exactly does the FCC filing tell us? For starters, it reveals the model number of the Mini 5 Pro and includes a regulatory label confirming compliance with U.S. communication standards. On the surface, this might look like DJI is gearing up for a U.S. release. However, the situation is far more complex due to increasing geopolitical tensions and growing scrutiny over Chinese-made technology. DJI Mini 5 Pro, what to expect in terms of specs and features. Let's get into the good stuff, what the DJI Mini 5 Pro might bring to the table. If the rumors are to be believed, this drone could represent one of the most significant upgrades in the Mini series yet. Small Blue Diamond camera upgrade. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will come with a larger 1-inch camera sensor, a major leap from the Mini 4 Pro. This would allow for better low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and improved detail, ideal for both casual users and professional aerial photographers. Small Blue Diamond obstacle avoidance with LiDAR. Another exciting upgrade is the addition of LiDAR-based obstacle detection, which would mark a new level of precision in safety and navigation, far beyond the visual sensors seen in previous models. Small Blue Diamond massive battery life. The FCC filing confirms a massive 4,680 mAh battery, which could enable up to 50 minutes of flight time, a significant boost compared to earlier Mini drones. Longer flight time means more content, fewer interruptions, and better value for creators. Small Blue Diamond sub-250g weight target. Despite all these new features, DJI is still expected to keep the drone under 250 grams in weight. Why does this matter? Because staying under this weight allows the Mini 5 Pro to remain exempt from FAA registration requirements for recreational use in the US, a huge plus for casual pilots. A look back, how the Mini series has evolved. To understand the potential of the Mini 5 Pro, let's take a quick look at its predecessors. The Mini 3 Pro, released in May 2022, revolutionized the lightweight drone segment with a 48MP camera and tridirectional obstacle sensing. The Mini 4 Pro, launched in September 2023, built upon that with omnidirectional sensing and improved OcuSync 4.0 transmission, making it more powerful and user-friendly. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is clearly aiming to bring pro-level features to a sub-250g drone, redefining what compact drones are capable of. But here's the catch: US market uncertainty. Despite all the exciting features, DJI faces major challenges in the US market. The fiscal year 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, NDA, includes provisions that could significantly impact DJI's future in the country. Under the NDA, if a formal national security review of DJI's products isn't completed by December 31, 2025, the company could be added to the FCC's covered list. Being on this list would effectively ban DJI products from U.S. communication networks and infrastructure, which could severely restrict the company's ability to operate or sell drones in the U.S.